doon po sa Manual of Regulations for Private Higher Education, that is the CHED Memo, Order number 40 series of 2008. Tama po ba na ang isang probationary na manggagawa, teaching personnel, has to take 6 consecutive semesters to be considered regular?
Yes, apo, yun po yung provided po.
We are now reviewing the MORFE, and it will be released in my first 100 days.
So, will you agree with me, Mr. Chair, na sinusupersede ng CMO na to kung ano nakasulat sa Labor Code? Yes. Just for context po sa ating mga kasama dito sa committee, the Labor Code under Article 296 says that probationary status must be within and not over 6 months. So, maganda po yung admission ng ating mga kasama at kapatid sa CHED. Kasi hindi po ito pinag-usapan sa napakatagal na panahon. Imagine, since 2008, ngayon lang po may admission from CHED na merong ng violation sa Labor Code.
Actually po, isa po sa mga directive po ng aming chair ay to really take a look po at our existing laws po para po yung mga superseded na ay mabago po namin. So,
Thank you.
Opo, yun po yung kanyang commitment po, Mr.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair, dun sa ating sa commitment ng CHED at babantayan po namin yan. RA 6728, this pertains to the share of workers to the tuition fee increase. Sabi po sa batas na yan, whenever there is a tuition fee increase, 70% of the tuition fee increase should go to the workers. Ngayon po, ang practice, Mr. Chair and Madam Chair, is that dito sa mga private higher education institutions, kapag nag-a-apply sila ng tuition fee increase at nag-grant yung tuition fee increase na yun, ito po yung mga schools na merong union ng mga manggagawa, mga teaching personnel. Hindi nila ibibigay yung 70% share at sasabihin nila, subject pa yan sa ratification ng collective bargaining agreement between the higher education institution and the union. That is the practice of private higher education institutions. What the law says, 70% share in the tuition fee increase, hindi yan binibigay ng private higher education institutions. Kailangan po talaga nating i-review to dahil ipinagkakait ng mga private higher education institutions yung makatwiran na sinasabi na ng batas, makatwirang bahagi nila doon sa tuition fee increase share. So, will I get the commitment of our colleagues from CHED to review this?
Yes, sir.
Yung coalition po kasi, the biggest coalition of teachers and staffs in the private college and universities, constituent po kasi namin, that is COTESCUP, and they are actually monitoring this meeting right now. So, meron pong maniningil sa inyo na mga union ng mga manggagawa. On RA 11551, the Labor Education Act, this was enacted May 2021. 4 na taon na pero hindi pa rin na-include sa curriculum ng mga higher education institutions ang Labor Education Act. Would you care to comment po dito?
As soon as the law was passed, we crafted already the IRR of that law. Kaya lang po nagtagal, we also sought an opinion from the DOJ po kung paano ba siya ma-integrate. We also sought clearance po from the Department of Labor and Employment.
So tama po ba, Mr. Chair, hindi pa na-roll out? Tama po, no?
Yes po.
Can I get the commitment again of the Commission on Higher Education? Kasi paano malalaman ng mga estudyante na magiging susunod na mga manggagawa sa labor market natin yung kanilang mga karapatan? Kung hindi naman natin tinuturo kung ano yung karapatan nila in the first place. Paano nila ipaglalaban kung ano yung karapatan nila kung hindi nila alam ano yung mga karapatan nila?
Tara na, kamanggagawa.